Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Escape from Tarkov with controller. Plug in your controller, enable X input or Steam Big Picture, and calibrate dead zones before launch. Next, map core actions like lean, aim, reload, and sprint to comfortable buttons. Keep sensitivity moderate and test recoil control in offline raids. These quick steps will make your controller feel responsive and consistent across encounters for steady improvement. Start by entering Escape from Tarkov controls and create a new controller profile for clarity. Assign primary actions like aim, fire, reload, and interact to intuitive buttons near your thumbs. Put lean and stance on bumpers, and map inventory and gear shortcuts to face buttons for fast management. Save the profile and label it by loadout type so you can switch quickly between sniper, assault, or CQB presets before jumping into a raid. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more controller content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your commute smelling great while you think about loadouts. It's a small treat that makes long sessions nicer, and it pairs oddly well with a tidy controller setup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Dial in sensitivity so aiming feels steady, but turning remains quick enough for flank situations. Reduce vertical sensitivity slightly to tame recoil while keeping horizontal responsiveness intact. If the game offers aim smoothing, tweak it lightly to avoid laggy inputs while still aiding micro adjustments. Spend time in offline mode practicing recoil patterns and target tracking until muscle memory forms, and then transfer those settings to live raids for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.